Hi everyone, I got a new product for you. You're gonna love this guy. A little compact vacuum cleaner's got plenty of power. So let's get to the unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have the 70-watt car vacuum cleaner. This is by Baseus. It's a vacuum cordless small mini handheld car vacuum cleaner. So let's open up the package and see what we got inside. Okay, the first thing I see is a thank you card. They want you to join their social media. Next we have a quick reference guide on how to remove the filter from the vacuum cleaner. And last but not least, the specs on the vacuum cleaner itself. Alright, let's see if we can get this box out of here. Giving us a little bit of trouble. So let's pull out the vacuum cleaner itself first and see if we can get to it this way. Alrighty, here we go. And it's showing us on here we have the accessories in the box. Oh, nice. Okay, so we have a nylon bag for holding the vacuum and the accessories. Nice. Very good quality there. And here we have our charging cord. I'm hoping this is US. Oh, it is USB-C to USB. Nice. Very good. What else we got in here? We got a little extension tube here, a crevice tool, I guess you would call it. Very long. What else is in here? And we have a, oh nice, a brush attachment for the vacuum cleaner too. Comes with 2 attachments. Okay. And we'll set those off to the side here, and let's get right to the vacuum cleaner. It's fairly heavy. Pull that wrapper off there, and here we go. Oh wow, that's aluminum or some kind of alloy. 2-color toned plastic there, grayish. Here we have our USB charging port, and you can see the fan on the bottom of that for the exhaust of the vacuum. Let's get a weight on this. It's got a little weight to it. Alright, we're looking at 20.32 ounces. Alright, so let's take a look at this thing. Here we have the power button right there with the LED indicators, and we have a protection cap that goes over the top of it. And you notice we have a couple little dots on the side of there too, and that's to take off the top to access our filter. And I'm going to show you how to access it real quick. You pull out the little foam insert piece, and you can remove that. And also there's an inner retaining ring in there which has the hard heavy metal filter on the front and a cloth metal filter on the back of that. Large debris filter and fine debris filter there. And you can see it's really good quality, heavy duty plastic, very nicely built. And the key thing, again, is to line up the dots and twist. Very simple. Yeah, let's hit the power button and let's see what kind of suction power it has. I can feel the air coming out of the exhaust part of it. Oh, yeah. It's got some power to it. There's that paper. Okay, good. Well, at least it's going to have some strength to it. We're going to also have to let it charge all the way up before we take it out and do a review on it. But let's try the crevice tool and see how that works. Okay. Yeah, it works good. It's going to be nice for picking up small amounts of dust and debris, but I don't know about doing an entire car with it, but we'll try it out and see. Let's try the brush out. Give that a whirl. Alright. Grip's comfortable with it. I like that. You won't get a hand fatigue with it. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and charge it up, and after that we're going to go out and try it and see how it works in cleaning out my truck. am going to be vacuuming up my stairs. You can see there's some cobwebs, some dirt and stuff. Start out light with this thing. It's all charged up. And we're going to see how well it vacuums all this stuff up. And I don't know if you can see a lot of the debris that's there, but there's quite a bit. Let's turn the vacuum on. We're at 3 bars or 3 dots on the power wise. And we're going to see, oh wow, this is really strong. Look at that. That's picking up everything. This is nice. What a great little vacuum. I am really surprised. Very surprised with this. It picks up everything. Okay, so I'm noticing it's already filled up. So let's take a look and see. See how much dirt is in here. Oh wow, check that out. Look how much dirt this thing picked up. This is incredible. Now there's not a whole lot of storage in this for picking up dirt, but I mean you can see right here, this thing has incredible suction power. Look at the dirt. Look at the dirt that's picked up. I want to make sure I can show you here. Look at all that. And there's more. Look at the dirt that's picked up. This little vacuum. That's incredible. Okay, next I have some cooking debris that's on my kitchen stove. It's a quick job, but let's see how this works. And there you go, not too bad. Let's take a look at this, see how much dirt is in here. Open this up. Oh yeah, it picked up quite a bit. Picked up quite a bit debris. As you can see it in here. Quite a bit of debris in there. So not bad at all for a little guy. This is a strong little vacuum. It's a mini. It's not going to be like a shop vac, but for getting little jobs done that need it picked up quickly, this is the thing to use. So the next spot we're going to be trying is my Jeep. And it's very dirty, so we'll see how this little guy picks up here. Now keep in mind, this is not going to do it all in one pass. For that small little section, I'll show you. It did a really good job. Look at that. So that's my review on the cordless portable car vacuum cleaner with high power for quick car cleaning needs. DC 15 volt portable vacuum cleaner. It comes in black. It has aircraft aluminum and hardened plastic, makes this very sturdy and durable. Ergonomic design. The motor boosts a 4,000 PA suction power on it. As you can see in the videos, it has plenty of power for you. I got almost 24 minutes of runtime on this guy with the 3 18650 lithium batteries inside, and it charges up really quick. So if you want to purchase this item, you can get it on Amazon for $49.99, and I'll leave that link down below for easy access. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review, because it did everything it said it was going to do and more. And those are the kind of products that I like to bring to you, because I know you'll be happy when you purchase them. So if you think this information that I gave you was helpful and useful in purchasing this item or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up? Hey, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to the right, so you can catch all my upcoming videos. Again, this is Captain Mark. I always say thank you for watching my videos, and I mean it. And I will see you in the next video.